everyone, it's Debbie with Debbie's Kitchen Corner and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you a simple and easy recipe on how to make bear claws. And who doesn't like bear claws? We will be also using the almond paste we have done a couple days ago. You will find the link above right here. Simple and easy because I want to save you guys time today. Who has time to make a puff pastry from scratch nowadays? So we want to make it simple today. We're going to use the puff pastry sheets from Pepperidge Farm. They're pre-frozen and you can find them in almost any grocery store. Shall we get started? Take 4 ounces of the almond paste we made and rip it in smaller pieces into the food processor. Add a 1/4 cup soft butter and a 1/4 cup sugar as well. Pulse it until it is well combined. Now beat 1 egg with a fork in another bowl. Spoon half of the egg into the food processor and leave the rest for later. Drop 1 tablespoon of flour in as well. Mix thoroughly. Scrape the sides and mix a bit more with the spatula. Look how nice and smooth it is. Take the 1 thawed pastry sheet and cut it in 3 portions. And do the same with the other one. Take some almond paste and spread it on 1/2 of the sheet. Fold it over and use the fork to close the seams. Make sure you push down the fork good so the 2 layers stick together. Then cut 4 times and pull it apart. It looks like a claw, don't you think? Then take them and put them on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Take the leftover egg and brush it on the top of the bear claws. Then take some sliced almonds and add them on the top. Also sprinkle some coarse sugar crystals over the claws if you have some. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 to 18 minutes. Let them cool down before you put the glaze on. Take 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, add 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it until runny and smooth. Add the icing over the bear claws. And you can do as much or as little as you like. Now let's try one. See, you can see the almond paste right here. Delicious. If you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you in my next video.